Hey, what's going on YouTube? I am creating this video trying to work on this truck. So basically this right here is the current condition of the truck, or this is the condition of the truck that I received it in. This used to be my father's truck. I was driving it and it was raining crazy and I got into an accident, and then it was parked for like 2 years. So I just asked him for it and he let me have it and whatnot. So I figured I'd fix it and use it as a work truck or sell it or whatever. It is a 2008 Ford F150. Has maybe 250,000 miles on it, and it should suit me well for exactly what I want to do. So like I said, these pictures are the current situation, and you're gonna see me attempt to fix it up, and I have no mechanical background whatsoever. So let's see. Alright, so this truck right here, it's a 2008 F150. It's definitely seen better days. It's been sitting out here for 2 years with some weather coming through the next end. Inside kind of moldy and terrible right now. But I always have hope. From my expertise, I see that it's mostly cosmetic issue. This front axle fuck up real bad. So this is where most of the damage happened. Fuck up this fender, this door. Front axle definitely mush up. Shut on this. And then just now, I thought it was just gonna be the door and the fender, and we back on the road. But clearly, even this door jamb fuck up. Now that I'm peeping it for real, the door jamb even fuck up, because send this in, push this in. All the frame right here, you can feel it right here, is jammed up so hard that it bent up right there and rolls up the seat and everything. The seat is higher than it should be. So I'm trying to fix it right now for sell it. But if I can, my goal today is just get that fender off, get that door off, and then maybe next time y'all see it, I'll have it jacked up. I can look up under and see if the frame is terrible. I have no mechanical experience whatsoever. I'm just trying to make something happen. But yeah, so this is the final product right here. Gotta remove this entirely. Under here, close them back down. Hold this one. Remove that one. But yeah, door is completely gone. Rats are staying in here. Oh, almost left that. But yeah, so now you can see the door jamb fuck up. And fuck up in here. All right, through there. Yeah. All type of rats and weevil in there. I cut off this piece. This is fucking here now, so once we open up this panel, we can take that off and hopefully pull out this as well. I'm gonna have to go to pull apart and see if I can find a new axle and door and fender. Once I get them running, I'm gonna take them to another body shop where they can pull out this piece with new windshield as well. That's probably the last thing to take care of. As far as this side, I'm gonna go ahead and get this other tire off, because clearly it needs replacing. And another thing is that Okay, cool. Now I was checking if this ball joint was broken, but I'm gonna I want to get this wheel completely off so I can try to spin the rotor, because on the other side that's really fucked up. The rotor won't spin, and we're thinking that it's, well, I'm betting money that it is just the brake seized up, so that won't let it spin, because it's been sitting for like 3 years. But there's other bets that says that it might be major damage to the transmission. So, fingers crossed. So this is how far we got right now. I got my F150 charging this battery. We think that all it's gonna be is a new battery, and the upper control arm snapped, clearly right here. But I finally got a jack and some jack stands to get up off the ground. So I'm about to go to pull apart tomorrow and get a new upper control arm. This is her up off the ground right now. This is how we got her sitting. Hopefully that'll catch it. I mean, she's damn near 5,000 and some change. But yeah, that's what we got going on right now. And other than that, let's see what's going on this side. One new tire needed. I was going to jack up this side, but since it's not, this side don't really have the damage. This side is just deflated tire shit. And yeah, this side got scraped, but that's not that bad. So yeah, tomorrow, new update. All right, try. Yeah, I guess we just gotta charge the battery some more. Try again. I see that fan start turning this time. All right, so I don't know what day this is, but I just bought a new battery, threw the battery in there. She still wasn't cranking up. They told me they charged it, but they really didn't. But I got it from like a secondhand place anyway, so I didn't expect much. But now I have my truck charging this battery. It should be up and running pretty soon and everything. So we'll see what's going on. As far as this side, I'm gonna go ahead and get this other tire off, because clearly it needs replacing. And another thing is that okay, cool. Now I was checking if this ball joint was broken, but I'm gonna I want to get this wheel completely off so I can try to spin the rotor, because on the other side that's really fucked up. The rotor won't spin, and we're thinking that it's, well, I'm betting money that it is just the brake seized up, so that won't let it spin, because it's been sitting for like 3 years. But there's other bets that says that it might be major damage to the transmission. So, fingers crossed. YouTube. This is, I don't know what day this is anymore, but I do have a celebratory drink. So I've been charging the battery for 3 days now, but it has not come on whatsoever. So I just said, fuck it, I'm gonna buy a new battery. So, but I have faith in this new battery, because I took the old battery out and I looked at the manual that was left in the truck, and that should do. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop the bonnet, put this new battery in, and I already know it's gonna work, so I brought a load of bev, whatever, so you're gonna hear it crank up for the first time in a long time. Get you a closer look. It's in there pretty awkwardly, but it seems secure. So I'm just gonna continue and go ahead and get everything on there like it's supposed to. I should do this off first. One second. And we're back. Okay, and we're back. Trying to do this one-handed. Don't breathe any of that in. That's battery acid. That looks good to me. Similar to yeah. Put this on, because I know it's gonna work anyway. Alright. Yeah. Should I crank them up now? This ain't the right car key. There it is.
He knew he didn't break the law. Because of some obscure law within the New York...
fuck.
Within their penal code.
Oh, didn't see that. Yeah, that looks like maybe the fuel pump.
Research by New York Times and Washington Post and other news
So,
organizations in the times of this law.
got one more thing to worry about, I guess. Get up on there and investigate. Well, I'm not sure you've seen what the fuck that was.
Well, he's been accused of breaking a law. It was one person, a judge, who determined him to be guilty.
Definitely leaking gasoline somewhere. Gonna have to move these jack stands so I can take this shield off and see exactly what the problem is, but I see where the leak is coming from. So as you just seen, she wouldn't start, and I figured out the problem. I think it's a hose going to the fuel filter. So what I'm gonna do is, today I'm just gonna work on taking off these runners, taking off that fuel filter as well, and the hose going from the fuel tank to the fuel filter. They're gonna disassemble the whole fuel filter hose situation, take it out, assess the situation, see what I can do about that. Probably just gonna have to order a new filter altogether. But the filter doesn't really look damaged, so I might just do the hose. But you know, I don't want showing up here and not completing something. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just take these runners off, take off that other part, see what's going on. But you guys, I'll show you guys what that situation is if you didn't get a clear understanding of what's going on underneath. All right, I'm currently under the driver's side, where I seen that leak situation going on. From the fuel filter, from the tank to the fuel filter. And this is what I got going on right now. So basically there's two tears, one here, one here. They used to have this fuel filter used to hang right around here, and there was a clear tube just stuck on here and stuck on here that, allowed for the fuel to get through. But what I'm gonna do now is put this inside of here. Looks like the wrong size. I might have to put a smaller one in here. But that's the overall gist. I'm gonna try to record it while I do it. I don't think I've recorded anything while I've done it. So this is gonna be the first thing. Let's see how that goes. If there is video of me doing it, then I was able to do it. If not, I might need both hands to screw on the clamps like I did this side. Good? Yeah. this update is that it all fucking went to shit. So I looked online. It sounds to heat up some water first, soak in some water, then put on my barbed connector with some clamps, and that should all. That sounds like she's ready. I was already putting in the water. That's what it's for. I was already putting in the water. That's why it's so dirty. But no, it's not ready yet. All right, so we're working at night because I started that leak going on. The water thing worked. Got that fitting on, and I'm about to crank it up now. I think it's about to start raining, so I'm gonna call it a day, even if it doesn't work. But I have faith in this one. We'll walk around all day smelling like gasoline. So, I'm gonna get the car key. Crank them up. It doesn't hold, I just replaced the whole, all the lines. Seems to be holding. We'll walk on the other side and check them out. Yeah, no more drippage. Anyway, it's running. Check this side. Yeah, it's holding. We got success, my boys. Now that it's started, the only thing left to do, in my opinion, like we already know, it's these up arms. Oh yeah, I got them today anyway. I was gonna show you because I was thinking that nothing was gonna get done today, but I already ordered them and they got here. Shout out to Rock Auto. The other one's in there too. I just don't know. Oh, here it is. Just gonna replace both sides. I got them for $30 each. So that's tomorrow's adventure. Today we cranked up, got it started. It's running. This is a big achievement, my boy, because I don't know nothing about mechanic shit. I'm just an electrician. So this is lit. I'm excited. I wonder, I don't know. If all the wheels are off the ground, I'll try to run it. But I'll try to turn the wheel. Okay, we still got motion. I don't know if you can repeat that. Still got motion. Okay, that's very good. All right, I'm gonna go get that celebratory beer. Oh, the door's locked. All right. Well, that was fun. About to start raining, so I'll pack up all my tools and get the fuck out of here. Just came from under there. I'm gonna start it right now. I was gonna start this time, so. All right, so we off to a great start, my boy. On this side already, but I was able to get that new control arm, upper control arm in there. I unscrewed the 3 at the top, this 1 at the bottom, holding that shock in, and I just maneuvered the shock out the way. And the only problem is now, like I said, I was cutting out with a Sawzall because I didn't know any better. So I gotta replace this now. Then I'm gonna go to pull apart and get that off of the one that's already there. Nah, wait, I might just get the right size because that's gonna be a pain in the ass to take out. But yeah, so I'm starting on this side now. I'm gonna try to set up a camera so you can see exactly what I'm doing while I'm in there. You point this at me? Just hold it right here. Move your fingers out the way.
I can't even see.
Just hold it right there. Hold it right here. Alright, so boom. We gotta pull apart right now. And need one of these. We're gonna take the whole fender. We'll take the driver's side door. And I'm gonna keep you guys not getting involved in that. I thought this is a size 13. That's what we just found out. Alright, so this is where we at. And it's funny too, because I've been here for maybe 3 days and I didn't take any parts when I started disassembling this upper control arm. This is where I was going to get it from, but I decided, I think they were going to charge me like 25, so I just found them online for like 30. I'll put the link in the description for those. What else? Oh yeah, got that fender off, and it's rusty as fuck. That's the problem with these up north vehicles. Ohio, Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, Detroit, all of them got this fucking fucked up situation going on underneath. Just gonna drop a bullet hole on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna take the runners from both sides. And I struggled taking the other door off of my F-150, but I realized that it's just a clip here that just pulls out and push in, and I just took it out just right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. I might just take off that big bolt in the back, only because I don't know what's going on with this rivet right here. I don't know if it's part of that. Hopefully not. I want these hinges, that's why. But yeah, after that, it's these runners, these chrome runners. It's gonna look good on my truck because they're chrome as well. But that's a little update, and I'll be back when I put I'm gonna put an 11-inch socket, not 11-inch. I'm gonna put an 11 size socket on that door jam and see if I can get all those off. And I'll update you from very soon. All right, so right now I'm just underneath trying to take out this running board, and they got 8 screws on both sides, and I want both of them, so that's 16 in total. Make sure I get what's going on. Okay, 2, that was right here, and 2 on top, and there's a size 13 socket. So I'm just gonna take it from this side. Somebody took the whole transmission on just now, 4-wheel drive and everything. Side. But I'm right here right now. So this is the current status. Still didn't switch out the runners on the side. Still didn't do the upper control arms on either side, but the truck runs. I think that's where I'm gonna end this video now, with the running truck. So stay tuned for part 2.